Hello! In this video we will review the integrated GoFunctions project in our new solution after Go.NET migration. During the migration process, Go.NET integrates this project to our solution. This project is an open code project written in a native C#.NET and help us to preserve the functionality of our old magic code. Our goal is to provide a solution that fully supports the old magic methods and preserve the functionality. That's the reason that the new converted code uses this project. This project is divided into many classes to preserve the old magic structure and allow us to navigate around easier following the migration. Every class represents a corresponding category in the old magic function list. For example, if we will look in the integration category in the old magic structure, we can see that it's been divided into several classes in our GoFunction project, including the XML, LDAP, and DDE classes. If we will drill down into one of them, for example the XML class, we can see a global structure which can be found in all the classes. This structure includes several regions. In those regions we can find the declaration of the needed resource for the code of the function, the enums which related to our functions, and of course the public functions which represent all the magic functions. Although functions are open code and written in native C#.NET, those functions are preserving the original functionality of the old magic functions. However, you can override or change them if you need to. Now let's review the code in order to understand how we are using those functions in our migrated application. In the base controller functions, we find many partial classes which are adapters to our GoFunction classes. For example, the string partial class contains the declaration of the old magic mid function and refer to the relevant code in the string class of GoFunction. Let's now go to one of the program's expression methods in our Go.NET migrated solution. In this code we can see the mid function is used in a method similar to the use in our old magic application. Retaining this structure as a starting point after the migration will preserve the magic's familiar code reuse that exists in functions. However, you can decide not to use this structure by copying and replacing the old magic code mid function with the native .NET code, which can be taken from GoFunction. In the latest version of Magic XPA, you can find almost 1,000 functions, which do not exist natively in WinForm.NET. Meanwhile, an average Magic application uses less than 100 functions. Therefore, there is a chance that your code isn't using many of those functions. However, our solution is comprehensive and converts all types of Magic application, even those that make extensive use of those functions. If your application isn't using all those functions, you can choose to remove this piece of code from your solution altogether. Our objective is not to force you to continue working forever with GoFunctions, and we leave this decision exclusively in your hands.